My voice box makes it perfect. Oh, I did a voice record purpose, but that was not it. But the latest one was not on purpose. I accidentally lost my voice like this one. I don't I see a frog hopping around. That is a frog. As you can see, as you can see, here's a frog jumping around and the shit is making noises. Oh no, the cat notices. Oh yeah, what you tryna do, bro? What you tryna do, bro? You just tryna look at it and then ignore it. Oh, hey, I don't care. Do what you want as long as that only goes there and does not come near me. What you looking at me for? What you looking at me for? Turn away cause I caught you, eh? You're looking at the frog again. What got you interested in the frog? Oh, yeah. Come on, look at me, you son of a bitch cat again. Oh, what the heck? Why are you so interested in the frog? Oh, you closing your eyes, I don't get it. You are interested in the frog. Oh, the ball is near me. Should I hit you with the ball? Are you afraid of that noise that you've just heard? Oh, run away, back to the fridge. Looking down again? Nah, you going back to the place where the noise came from? Looking down again? Nah, you just gonna stay like that? I don't care what you do. Oh, you looking at me, boy? Where you looking? On top of me? What is? What? Why you not looking away from that, bro? Oh, is this something I don't see, bro? Yo, bro. You see something I don't see, bro? Let me turn off the fan first, and then I will leave. Bro, what the fuck do you even see there? Bro, what the fuck do you even see there, bro? Yeah, I got my slippers ready for something. Oh, now you're looking at me. Bro, behind me, bro. Bro, yeah. Looking down again. There. Tell me, bro, what you looking at, bro? Yet? What's it yet? What do we even see there? Joy! Oi! Bro, we finally got them. Bye. You're so gay. Unbelievable, yeah.